Ready to own a slice of paradise? Imagine enjoying 2 weeks in a St. Lucian villa every year, without the hassle of buying or maintaining a property. With equity share ownership, you can invest as little as $2,480 for a half share or $4,960 for a full share, securing your personal getaway and potential rental income. Whether you're a St. Lucian living abroad, a frequent visitor, or a local resident, this investment is designed for you. No more worrying about high upfront costs or maintenance headaches, just pure Caribbean bliss. Plus, join the RCI program and swap your weeks for vacations in other dream destinations. It's flexibility and freedom at its finest. And the best part? Build generational wealth. Pass down your share to your children, creating memories and financial security for years to come. Time is ticking. Limited shares are available, so don't miss out on this golden opportunity to own a piece of paradise. Invest solo or with friends and watch your dream of owning an Airbnb business in St. Lucia come true. Ready to make the leap? Click the link to learn more and secure your share today.